The intruder sat at her bedside, waiting to attack. The damsel in distress rose out of bed, ready to start her day, until she saw a heinous creature sitting, waiting. The frightful scare triggers your hypothalamus, a portion of the brain that contains a number of small nuclei with a variety of functions, and starts the whole chain of reactions. The hypothalamus is triggered, it activates the sympathetic nervous system, which runs down to the adrenal glands. The scareful trigger is then traveling down towards them. The adrenal gland is triggered by the sympathetic nervous system. It releases adrenaline, cortisol, and norepinephrine into the bloodstream. Adrenaline acts on nearly all body tissues by binding to adrenic receptors, which is part of the receptor type, G protein-coupled receptors.
Sensual.
When adrenaline binds with the cell's adrenergic receptor, the occupied receptor causes replacement of GDP bound to GS by GTP, activated GS. GS then moves to adenylate cyclase and activates it. Adenylate cyclase catalyzes the formation of CAMP. CAMP activates protein synthase A, which breaks glucose to either be used by the cell or to be transported through the cell membrane into the bloodstream. The phosphorylation of cellular proteins by protein synthase A causes a cellular response to adrenaline. Glucose is metabolized by other cells in the bloodstream. It provides us enough energy to either flee away from the frightful sight or